Today, I'm going to tell you about an incredible AI website that lets you create 100,000 videos. You won't find any watermarks, nor will there be any compromise in quality. You'll be able to produce high quality Hollywood level videos because the specific AI tool I'm discussing is Google's Vio 3 AI tool. Next, I'll show you how you can create 100,000 videos using Vio 3, and that too in just one day. Yes, you heard that absolutely right. You can generate 100,000 high quality videos in a single day. If you are a YouTuber or a content creator, a digital marketer, a freelancer, an e-commerce seller, an educator, or a local business owner, or if you're looking to start your own faceless YouTube channel in 2026, then this AI tool has been specifically designed for you. Because you get 45,000 credits in this AI tool, and it also offers many models. For example, if you use this second model, the Vio 3.1 model, which is Google's most advanced AI tool to date, then not a single one of your credits will be used up because it's clearly written in this model. Each generation uses 0 credit. This arc is so petty, so whether you make one video a day or 100,000 with this model, you'll use 0 credits and your 45,000 credits will still be left. 45,000 credits will only be consumed if you use any other model apart from this second model, Vio 3.1. For example, using the first model, Vio 3.1 Fast, will use 10 credits, and using the third model, Vio 3.1 Quality, will use 100 credits. However, if you use the Vio 3.1 model, which is the second option, you can create more than 1 lakh videos in a single day. Before I explain how you can gain access to this, I'd like to briefly inform you about its available plans. Essentially, Flow AI provides 2 distinct plans, one specifically designed for individual personal use, and the second option is tailored for teamwork collaboration. If your intention is to acquire it for your own personal usage, you can obtain it for merely 999 rupees. This package includes a dedicated private account along with a full 1-month validity period and also comes with a 1-month warranty. Additionally, customer support will be available from 9 AM to 10 PM. However, if you wish to collaborate or are a YouTuber, creator, or have a large team, you can opt for a teamwork account, allowing you to log in the same account on multiple devices such as 4 to 5 or a maximum of 9 to 10. The main advantage of a teamwork account is that when someone from your team creates a video on their PC or laptop, that video will automatically appear in all your team members' accounts. Additionally, you receive 45,000 credits and free access to over 10 AI tools. It also includes 1 month of validity with a 1-month warranty and 9 to 10 custom